So, uh, I'm using this video as the placeholder for, if you have any questions. I'd much rather be answering the questions first of those who find my content. About things you'd like to be shown in the kitchen. It can be, what are good replacements for this, or you just got a new allergy, or you want to make a meal that's friendly for the biggest amount of people for like a potluck or whatever. I myself have a chronic illness, which I've talked about previously, so I am learning new little tips and tricks to make cooking easier, especially as going into the colder months where I am. And this also gives me a chance to be able to continue to provide quality content without using up so many spoons for myself. So, yes, drop the question below. Also, please support me, subscribe to my channel here, and I also have a Patreon specifically for being able to keep this type of content going. Yeah, and my other socials will be in my link tree.